69 megawatts Lawi Hydropower project is located near Drosh town in Lower Chitral. The dam weir is situated on Shishi River, which will divert 20 cubic meter per second discharge of water to the headrace tunnel, which will carry it to surge shaft near Lawi Village, from where pressure shaft and pressure tunnel will bring these flows down to the powerhouse. The construction works were started in 2016 and scheduled to be completed in 60 months. The work was going on at snail's pace, consequently slimming the chances of its completion by the stipulated time. On completion, project will generate 308 gigawatt-hours energy annually. The construction activities bring employment and business opportunities to the local public and improvement of access road for easy and smooth transportation. The releases from the powerhouse will be carried to Chitral River through a concrete line tailrace channel. The power will be transmitted to national grid through loop-in loop-out interconnection with 132 kV double-circuit transmission line. Presently, about 100 Chinese and more than 500 skilled and unskilled local workers are working at construction site. Allah be praised. Thanks viewers for watching. Thumbs up if you like. Write us your valuable suggestion in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative and exciting videos about energy projects. Share the video link if you feel value.